Plantronics Savi 8200 series is a long-range wireless DECT headset system that makes it easy to manage PC, mobile, and desk phone calls. This is what comes in the box. To charge the headset, place it in the charging cradle. Charge the headset for at least 20 minutes prior to first use. The LED indicator turns solid green when charging is complete. Connect the base to your PC's USB port using the micro USB cable. Connect the Savi base to your desk phone using the telephone interface cable. An electronic hook switch, or EHS, cable and handset lifter are available if you want to answer desk phone calls from your headset. For mobile calls, pair the Savi base with your mobile device. Press and hold the Bluetooth pairing button for 4 seconds until the indicator flashes red and blue. On your mobile phone, go to Settings, Bluetooth, On. Scan for devices and select PLT Savi. Pairing is complete when the LEDs stop flashing. Adjust the headband so it fits comfortably, and carefully bend the microphone boom. The ideal distance is the width of 2 fingers from the corner of your mouth. To answer or end a call, tap the call button. To control volume, use the volume dial. And if you want to mute while on a call, tap the red mute button. You'll see the indicator light on the base turn solid red when muted. The Savi 8220 stereo headset features active noise canceling to reduce distracting background noise. To activate, switch the ANC button on. To place a call, put your headset on. Make sure it's powered on, and then press the appropriate device button. If you're not wearing your headset, the Savi base will ring to alert you to an incoming call. The volume switch on the left side of the base allows you to adjust the ring volume or turn it off. Savi 8200 series allows you to easily switch between calls. You can choose to answer a second incoming call, which puts the first caller on hold. You can also conference 2 lines together by simultaneously pressing 2 device buttons until both LEDs are solid green. Additional Savi 8200 series headsets can be conferenced together, which is useful for customer service training in contact centers. While on a call, simply dock the second headset in your charging cradle. You will hear a voice alert, conference request. Tap the call answer button to accept the second headset. Both headsets will remain conferenced together until you dock your headset in the cradle or the second headset leaves the conference. A total of 4 headsets can be conferenced together. To stream high-quality media from your computer, select the PC button on the base and make sure Plantronics Savi 8200 series is selected as the audio device in your audio control panel. To stream from your mobile device, select the mobile button on the base and ensure PLT Savi is selected on your mobile phone. To optimize audio quality for your environment and customize many other settings, download Plantronics Hub for Desktop at plantronics.com/software. You're now ready to enjoy your Savi 8200 series wireless headset system. For more information, visit plantronics.com.